If you look at the market right now, you will notice that there is a whole lot of panic and fear in the market. Right now, we are in maximum fear level. Now, if you look at this place just here, you will see that the fear level is at 10. That is maximum fear. You can see it right here. Extreme fear. You can see it. Extreme fear right there. Now, the whole essence is because the market has been dropping and nobody knows what is really happening. Everybody think, most people, in fact, most people are thinking right now that this is not going to recover and they are panicked and they are selling. Anyway, uh, I just want us to do some quick analysis about the market, looking at Bitcoin. In another video, look at Ethereum to actually see what is happening right now in the market and to see where we should be looking at, maybe bouncing back up with hope, right? So that's what I'm going to be doing right now for you because I know a lot of people are looking for something to just give them hope that, okay, all is going to be well. It's just a matter of time, right? So if this kind of video sounds like what you like and what you want to pay attention to, and you're here for the first time, just hit that subscribe button so that you subscribe to my channel, and then also turn on your bell notification icon so that when I drop this kind of valuable video, you will be notified and you can watch them and make good use of the information that you see. And then don't forget to give this video a like and share it with your friends so that they too can benefit from content like this. All right, this is coin market cap. Without further ado, let's just go into trading view so that we'll look at the market together. And by the way, if you're not in our Telegram group, please do where to find yourself in the Telegram group, because in that place I do a whole lot for people in this place. Now you can see right here, this is the group right here, this one. So just search for Blockchainplus and you're going to see it with that logo. Join the group, because in this group I do a whole lot right here. You can see I give people signals. All you just need to do is to copy and paste the signals and make money from the signal. I also drop daily tips about what is happening in the crypto. You can see right here, quick lesson of the day, and then you can see I do a whole lot dropping guides. You can see Solana testing, a daily support, and all of that. And then you can see this one, Bitcoin BTC guide, and all the things you need to look at for. So I do a whole lot in this place. All you just need to do is to find yourself here so that you will stay in the know whenever I am talking about what is happening in the crypto space. Why? Because this is where I drop all the information first. All right, so let's just go to trading view so that we can see what is happening right now with Bitcoin and what we should be expecting in the market. So if I come to my chart like this and then I go to BTC, let me just search for BTC USDT. Then I open the chart up like this. Now you can see, so this is what I did earlier on Bitcoin and what we should possibly be expecting. Right when Bitcoin was around, still around here, somewhere around there. Okay, let me just remove that. Let me just remove that and use this. Good. So right when Bitcoin was somewhere around this level, I already drew this trend line. You can see this trend line right here. Yes, I already drew that trend line, and then I said Bitcoin. Initially, I thought Bitcoin was going to respect this trend line on the weekly, and then we bounce back. But as you can see, the first candle, this is on the weekly. You can see right here, so that you see it very well. You can see right here is on weekly. So initially, I thought the first candle was going to this one here. This was the first weekly candle that closed. So initially, I thought after that close of the candle, this one is going to retest it and move back up. But however, this one clearly broke it down and tested this support that I drew here for Bitcoin, and I'm hoping Bitcoin tests just somewhere around there, or maximum will come to 75, which is the last point I am looking at Bitcoin to come. So Bitcoin should not break 75 going downward, because it's going to be more disaster for us in the market right now, and we don't want that. So maximum we should come to is 75 if at all we want to come all the way to that place. Right now, Bitcoin hit this level. Let me just take this up again to this point. Yeah, Bitcoin hit 80,000 right there. We hit 80,000 right there, and then there is a little bit of rejection. Although this weekly candle is going to close today, so I don't see this candle pulling back all the way into this trend line. So it's not going to happen because I was expecting that this weekly candle is going to close back into the trend line to keep the trend line valid. But however, it has clearly broken the trend line. So what I'm expecting right now from Bitcoin is has already tested my supply zone, which is inside this zone. So Bitcoin has already tested that supply zone. So right now, what I'm expecting for Bitcoin going forward is either we'll have a consolidation from here or we'll have a small move up to this level right there. And if that happens, so this is what I'm expecting. Let me just draw this to this point. And if that happens, so we can see Bitcoin maybe come all the way back to 90, 92, 93, right between 88 or 94. So we can see Bitcoin coming to that level, and then before maybe we test this 70 74 region. So that is one scenario that can play out. Bitcoin testing 90 to 94 before coming back to 75 region, not 74, 75 region, like so. Then after that, going into next year, we may now see the move from here all the way, breaking this high, which is here, 126, because I'm still objective that Bitcoin is going to go above 150, right? But these are the scenarios I am looking at right now based on where we are, and also based on the fact that at this point is a festive period, so people are not really looking at investing in crypto right now. People are looking at taking profit from the market. So when people take profit, what happens is that the market dumps. So when the market dumps, we clearly expect to see all this kind of down move, right? So instead of the market to continue to dump, what I just explained is my scenario. From here, we see a little retracement to 1994 or 92, thereabout, and then we see a pullback down into this level, and then we see a pullback up all the way to that point. So that is the scenario I am looking at for Bitcoin. Now, is it going to happen? Of course, this is an analysis, and that is why I always tell people that crypto currency or anything I am saying in this my space is not a financial advice to anyone. All you just need to do is to make your own research, do your own analysis before investing in crypto. Now, if this happens to Bitcoin and Bitcoin rallies above that level a bit, then we can see the market recover a bit, or in this next few weeks before we enter the festive period. Probably maybe in the next 2 3 weeks, we can see some little bit of green, but not much green in the market, and then we can see another red again in the market before we finally see the parabolic move that we may be expecting, and that is going to be happening from next year. Of course, it's not going to be this year, but this because this year, as far as the crypto market is concerned, is almost over. So we should not expect anything like bull run this year again. So speaking from an honest point of view, from what is happening right now, and from everything that has been playing out, I don't think we should expect any bull run this year again. However, we can see that happening next year. So this is my analysis on Bitcoin. If you want to watch my analysis on Ethereum and other coins, just hit the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell icon. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like this video and share it with your friend. And if there's any comment, just drop it in the comment section and I'll attend to your questions for you. Alright guys, that is it for me in this video. Till I come your way again, remain blessed.